The Color Contrast plugin helps you meet your accessibility goal effortlessly. There are two modes, Inspect and Audit. In the Inspect mode, you can click on any element on the canvas and the plugin will automatically picks up the foreground and background color for you, and it reports the contrast using WCAG2, BPCA and APCA algorithms. You can click on the Show Conformance button to view if the contrast ratio satisfies the accessibility criterion. If you are not familiar with what BPCA or APCA is, these algorithms often gives more accurate contrast reading than the standard WCAG2. Click on this link to learn more. Unlike most other contrast plugins, here the foreground opacity is also taken into consideration for calculating the contrast ratio, ensuring the accurate result. Now the inspect mode is suitable to get the detailed report of the contrast for a particular layer. To get the overall picture, you can use the audit mode. Select the frame you want to run the audit for and click Run Audit. The plugin lists any contrast violation for both normal and large text. The WCAG2 is the default algorithm, but you can switch the contrast algorithm with this toggle. In this list, you can click on any row to focus that layer on the canvas. You can also shift plus click on any row to open that layer in the inspect mode. Once you have fixed all the contrast issue, rerun the audit to ensure there is no remaining violation. Happy designing!